guys, after 10 hours travel from Damam, within another 12 hours from sea travel again. Now I'm checking out from Damam, Philippine Airlines. 10 hours travel from Damam to Manila. After another 12 hours again. So much time. Tara, samahan. Uwi na tayo. Bakasyon muna tayo, bakasyon. Lugar natin ang Pinas. Thank you for watching, guys. Ayan, nasa loob na kami ng aeroplano. Waiting for take off.
Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body.
Nakikinig sa
Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push and lock.
Kinig kami sa announce ng
Pull
kapitan.
and stay tight.
Ang mga dapat gagawin.
When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cords to the overhead. If life vest fails to inflate, blow in fuel pouch.
Welcome to Philippine Airlines.
Push pin inwards to release air.
That
Not
time,
to take your
hindi
life
man naman
vest
yung mga
inside air.
stewardess.
The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is reversed.
Sa mga alituntunin sa loob ng aeroplano.
In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen mask will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Go over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic band for a snug fit and
Paano magsuot ng
keep mask on until your
oxygen mask
required.
in
Put
case
down
of
on the
emergency.
passengers near the distance. Put your mask on first
Grabe
before
ba yan? Almost
The
10 hours.
emergency exits are
Pati,
being marked on the
hindi ako
cabin
nagconnecting
exits.
flight kasi daming bagahe.
These
So,
exits may be delayed.
nag-CBS
In
tayo.
case of
Sea
power
travel
loss or
tayo.
smoke in the cabin,
Wala tayong
emergency
pagkain.
lights
Kalbo natin
are
eh.
marked to these exits during evacuation.
Hindi mo na sila, guys.
For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seat belts are securely fastened. Seat backs in upright position. Large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stowed in your seat pockets. Window shades open and computers. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, vaping, or the use of electronic cigarettes is not allowed. Once again, welcome to Philippine Airlines.
Instruction yung kapitan. Kaptay. Tapos tayo yan, guys. Kapag nahihit ang binima. Luggage natin. Mas wala. Guys, so after ng airport, kaya po papuntang Batangas. Yan na po, guys, nasa Batangas na po kayo, maalis na po yung barko. Another 12 hours daw, guys. Kung Mindoro, San Jose, Mindoro. Another 12 hours travel from bus.